Well, if you'll turn one screen off and turn around, look at the wall.
Baby.
Oh.
Yeah, and this is what iPads do to our children. It's been playing for like 5 minutes.
Where did you get that?
Hi, just me popping in from the future to go back in time to the beginning of the video to say, hey, like and subscribe, please. I was checking analytics and it turns out that like a lot of you guys are not subscribed. So please go hit the subscribe button.
Cute.
And I sure walls that have bugs or anything on them. That makes it perfectly. Oh, wait, Mama.
Winter Magic left us a craft. I'm surprised she came back. She took a day off from you, didn't she? She just melt or fall asleep. So we're making a garland. And I think this garland would look really cool if it decorated your LOL house. There's Winter Magic and Candy Cane.
Harry. It's very, very hairy. It's Harry Potter. Because he's very hairy.
Child, I don't know about you.
Harry Potter's
What's your tree looking like?
Because he has hair all over him and his name has hair.
What's Daddy's tree looking like?
Rock my boom.
Dude.
Dad,
Okay, there's our garland.
look at the puppy.
This is the Hulkamania one.
Puppy!
Oh, this kid.
Puppy.
Husband was wanting a new coffee machine, and because ours was huge. So when I was out today, Target had this one. This is really cool. If you're gonna do a ground coffee, you use this one. And if you're gonna do it over ice, you use this one. And it stores it really nicely, like in the side of the machine. I have so far only used it for water, and I am gonna have some tea. I found this. This is a Rae Dunn. I don't have any other Rae Dunn. I'm not typically into it, but I thought this was gorgeous. So I had to have it. It was at Home Goods. It was only 10 bucks. And I have stuffed it with hot chocolate packets, which I thought that was appropriate. And then I love this passion tea, but I also have these teas that I've gotten from a store, the Red Bud Tea Company. Sorry, I don't know why I couldn't read that. This one tastes like bubble gum. It's for kids primarily. This one is raspberry. It's really good. And then chocolate mint. So I thought it's not perfect, but I think I'm gonna get like a little stand to go there and keep my tea on. Isn't that nice? Oh, and then Target also had this mug rack in their like dollar section. I think it was like $3. And it turns out I have 6 mugs. And I like this little saying, always remember, be kind, be fair, be honest, be true, and all of these things will come back to you. And then this, Write It, Rhyme It, Fold It, Fly It, is from Paper Planes and Poetry. And it's a group of us authors that write children's books. I have just joined that group. So we'll be doing speaking engagements and signings, and we're supposed to do one in Cedar Lake on the 30th, and I need to order more copies of my books. So if you are going to be in Cedar Lake December 30th, I believe our time is at noon. We'll be there for about an hour. For, I think it's $12 or $12.99, you can get a copy of either my book or CM Chic's book, plus a hot chocolate. Parents, come in, get yourself a hot chocolate, maybe even something to eat, because their food is really, really good. And let us entertain your kids for like an hour. We're gonna do like some interaction, some Q&A, and yeah, it'll be a really, really good time. More info on that to come. Still working on all that stuff. Go with the raspberry. this time, and it is a loose leaf tea, as you can see. So I have this little diffuser thingy. You just scoop it up, and then I'll just leave it in there for 10 minutes or so, and it'll diffuse all the goodness into the water. I don't know why I'm telling you how to make tea. I'm like, what do they call that? Mansplaining? Like, I'm sure you know how to make tea, but in case you didn't, there you go. I just let you know. Yeah.
Okay, wait.
So did you decide what tea you wanted? Mint or bubblegum?
You could choose which one of those.
Oh, okay. So what are we doing with this?
I already got the 10th.
What day was, oh, that's for the 10th, so you're a few days behind. Oh, that's a really
And I
cute
have to get
little
11,
outfit.
12, and 13.
Yeah, you do. You better get to work.
I can't find the 12 or
You can't find
Friday.
it. Looks like you did the 12.
the...
But here's 13.
Can I do 11? The 8?
I don't see 11, so I think you did. What is that, underwear?
No,
Oh, it's a little skirt. Little skirty skirt. Little skirty skirt action. So one thing to keep in mind if you get this Mr. Coffee, it's for hot or iced coffees. I didn't realize when you fill up the reservoir, they give you this cup and it has a fill line, and then you dump that into the reservoir. And I was like, there's no way I actually used that much water. It actually does. So you have to refill it every single time, which is totally fine. That way the water's not sitting in there. I have well water, so it gets gross. But I didn't, like, at first I just hit to brew hot. And then when I was like, why isn't it doing anything? And I opened the lid, it was like poof, and it like steamed at me. It was a little bit scary. Okay, so mom life, up late. But something that I think is really cool about Caroline and her development is she wrote a letter to her elf, Winter Magic. It was really cute. Dear Winter Magic, you are the best. And that's supposed to say candy cane too. XOXO, Caroline. I was like, who's Rebecca? Serena, do you need to be in this one too? Oh, Rena. And she left a candy cane out for Winter Magic and candy cane. I don't have proof of this, but one of her friends was being naughty and their elf left. And so I was like, they can leave if you're bad. So if you like her sticking around. And then she was like, can I write Winter Magic a note? Sure. Oh, that kid. All right, guys, it is late. I had a super, super full day, and honestly, I didn't vlog. I was out with friends, and I don't feel like it's always appropriate. And I don't know that my friends constantly want to be on the internet every time we go out. So, what else is coming up? Podcast Friday. Saturday is Indiana Beach. Friday is also Sean's birthday, but we're going to celebrate it Sunday. Sunday, I think we also have a wrestling match. So, like, things are happening. Things are coming up. Bear with me on these boring ones. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.